My name's Laura. I'm a paramedic at Wayne General. What's your name?
Like, hi. And my name's Candy.
Oh, it's nice to meet you. What's going on today?
Well, like, I was over at the high school playing volleyball, and all of a sudden, Bradley walked in, and Bradley's so cute. Oh my God. And like, my heart started racing, but then Bradley the creep left, and my heart's still going. So my coach brought me over here for the police people to check me out. He's so cute. But they don't know what they're doing, so they called you people. But my dad is the head cardiologist at St. Joe's Hospital Medical Center, and that's what you have to call. You have to call my dad, 1-800 St. Joe's Cardiology.
Yeah, we know your father. Do you have any pain or anything else going on?
Well, no, I don't have any pain. It's just going so fast.
Well, my partner Jerry's going to hook you up to the monitor, okay? We're going to check out your heart for you. Yeah, Laura, we got a SVT. Running about 207, 208, O2 sat 96, PP 126/70. And reading about 20 times
I'm going to be
a
in
minute.
nursing school next year. I'm pretty sure I already know more than you since my dad is the head cardiologist.
All right, well, your heart's going a little too fast. You're in a rhythm called SVT, supraventricular tachycardia. I'm sure with your nursing background and your father being the head cardiologist at St. Joe's, you probably know what SVT is, right? Oh, no? Well, what I would like you to do is blow into the syringe.
Wait, you want me to like blow into this syringe? That's kind of like weird.
Yeah, it's going to help stimulate something we call the vagus nerve. And the vagus nerve, when it's stimulated like that, helps to slow down the heart rate. So we'll see if we can just break this whole rhythm here that's going too fast by just doing that. Okay, go ahead. Do it. Keep going. It looks like it didn't work. Yeah, you feel dizzy?
I don't like feeling any better. I feel like I'm feeling out of breath.
Well,
now.
we're going to have to give you a medication.
Can I keep this? Oh, cool. Like maybe Bradley will like me even better if I show him one of these. I'm going to keep it. Okay, thanks. Is that like a pill?
No, it's not a pill. It's got to go through an IV.
But my dad said you don't practice on each other in school. You have like oranges and fake like arms and things like you practice on.
Well, I'll be honest with you. I mean, being as your nursing background and all, if you let your heart go this fast for too long, well, you could die.
What do you mean? I could like die? I'm too young to die. Okay. Ow! Oh my God! That hurts so bad.
I'm going to give you a medication called adenosine, right? Adenosine is a med that's going to make you feel a little bit weird, all right? You might feel a little woozy, maybe even get some chest pain, but it's over with fast. And that's okay. I'll talk you through everything, okay? You ready? Go 12. I'll draw it up. All right, got the adenosine. You ready? I'll do the saline immediately after you do the adenosine. Adenosine, saline. Let's open that IV wide. Okay, just need you to keep breathing. You're okay. Everything's doing well. You're fine. Keep breathing. I know it feels weird, but you're okay. Hang in there.
That like hurt.
Okay. Looks like it worked.
Better. I mean, do I have to go to the hospital now?
All right, how you feeling? Back to normal sinus rhythm. No, you can't go back to school. I'm sorry, you have to go to the hospital. You got to go see your dad. Looks like it worked.
I guess ambulance drivers do know what they're doing sometimes. Thanks.
Yep, sometimes we do know what we're doing, don't we? Hey, Laura, what
Pinky.
you got? Yep. We have a 16-year-old female for you here, and I just want to say right from the get-go, you are welcome. It's never good when you start with this patient to you. Yeah, her dad is the head cardiologist here.
Oh no, not him.
Yeah, you're going to enjoy her. Yeah, so she was an SVT, we did vagal, didn't work. We gave her 6 of adenosine, didn't work. Then we gave her 12 of adenosine, and it did work, and she's back to being her sweet self.
Okay.
So basically she's cured. So hopefully we'll be able to send her home soon. Okay, well, I don't know how I'm going to pay you back, but It's hard to pay paramedics back from the ER, but I will figure out a way for bringing me this delight with her dad, the head cardiologist. I'm the head cardiologist at St. Joe's. 1-800 St. Joe's Cardiology. Yeah. Well, it must have been a lot of fun. And you had a blonde treating a blonde. That must have been real entertainment for everybody. Did you have to call Blonde Star to get any directions for anything? Oh, that's a good one. A real knee slapper. I know, I am funny. Yeah, she's got no medical history, no meds, no allergies. Yeah, her heart rate was in the 200s. Blood pressure was fine, was normal. And it stayed pretty much normal the whole time. And she's down in the 70s now. You want us to go get you anything for lunch? Yeah, I do want something to eat. Could you get me a burger? And maybe some fries with gravy? No fries with gravy. Fries with gravy guarantee that we're going on a million calls. I didn't think so. My boyfriend John, he rides Magic 7. Yeah, he does not let me order fries with gravy either when he's working. All right. Well, thanks so much for bringing me this delight. And by the way, bring me food only. No more patients. We're already holding like 20. Okay. Well, we'll go get food and see you soon. All right, Pinky, see you later.